Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna and I am having a wonderful day. The sun is shining and the birds are singing outside my window. It is a beautiful day to learn English together. How are you today? I hope you feel happy and ready to practice.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy today, too. I feel very positive and full of energy. The weather is a bit cloudy here, but that's okay. I have a warm cup of coffee, and I am with all of you. That makes me feel great. We love having you with us in every episode.
We really do. Before we start, I want to say thank you. Thank you for listening to us. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. It is very important for us. When you subscribe, you help our community grow. And please give this video a like if you enjoy learning with Tom and me. We love reading your comments too.
Yes, please subscribe and like. Today we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about work. Work is something we do every day. We spend a lot of time at our jobs, so it is very useful to know how to talk about it in English. Anna, are you ready to talk about jobs?
I am ready, Tom. This is perfect for beginners. We will use small steps and easy words. First, we need to know the question. When we meet a new person, we often ask, "What do you do?" This means, "What is your job?" It is a very common question in English.
That's right, Anna. What do you do is a simple question. I can say, I am a teacher, or I am a doctor, or I am a waiter. We use the word I am and then the job. It is very easy to practice. Anna, what do you do?
I am a content creator and an English teacher. I love my job because I love helping people. I also love talking to you, Tom. Friends, think about your job. What do you do? Are you a student? Are you a driver? Are you an office worker? Say it out loud right now. I am a...
That's great practice. Some people work in an office. They use a computer, they talk on the phone. Other people work in a hospital. They help sick people. Other people work in a school. They help children. There are so many different jobs in the world.
Yes, and every job is important. I have a friend who is a chef. He works in a kitchen. He cooks delicious food. He is always very busy. Being busy means you have many things to do. Are you busy at your work, Tom?
Yes, I am often very busy. I work with many people. I write emails, I go to meetings, I talk to my boss. The boss is the person who is the leader of the team. My boss is very kind and helpful. Having a kind boss makes the work much better.
I agree. A good boss is very important for our feelings. When we talk about work, we also talk about our routine. For example, I start work at 8 o'clock in the morning. I finish work at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What about you, Tom? What is your schedule?
I start work at 9 a.m. I have a lunch break at 1 p.m. I love lunch because I can rest and eat. Then I finish work at 5 p.m. After work, I feel a little tired, but I also feel happy because I worked hard. Hard work is good for the soul.
It is. Some people work from home. They use a desk in their house. Other people travel to an office. They take the bus or the train. I like working from home because I can wear my comfortable slippers, but I also like going to the office to see my friends.
Working from home is very popular now. You need a good chair and a good computer. When I work at home, I try to stay focused. Focused means I only think about my work. I don't look at the television. I don't look at my bed. I just work.
That is very disciplined, Tom. Now, let's talk about a very important question. Do you like your job? This is about our feelings. Some people love their jobs. They say, "My job is great." Some people don't like their jobs. They say, "My job is boring."
It is okay to have different feelings. I like my job because I like solving problems. Every day is a new challenge. A challenge is something that is a little difficult but interesting. When I solve a problem, I feel very proud of myself.
I feel proud when my students understand a new word. That makes me very happy. My job is very exciting. Exciting is the opposite of boring. When a job is exciting, time goes very fast. When a job is boring, time goes very slow. Tick, tock, tick, tock.
Yes, we don't want a boring job, but sometimes even a good job can be stressful. Stressful means you feel a lot of pressure. Maybe you have too much work. Maybe you have a difficult deadline. A deadline is the time when the work must be finished.
When I feel stressed, I take a deep breath. I drink some water, I take a small walk. It is important to be kind to yourself at work. Don't work too much without a break. Breaks are necessary for your brain. Your brain needs to rest to work well again.
That is very true, Anna. Our listeners should remember that. Practice your English, but take breaks too. Now, let's talk about the workplace. Some offices are very big and modern. They have big windows and many plants. I love plants in the office. They make the air feel fresh.
I love plants too. My workspace has a small cactus. It is very cute. I also have a picture of my family on my desk. Looking at my family makes me smile when I'm working. What is on your desk, Tom? Do you have many things or is it empty?
My desk is a bit messy. I have many papers, I have 3 pens, I have my laptop, and of course, I have my favorite mug for my tea. A messy desk sometimes means a busy mind, but I know where everything is. It is my own system.
Everyone has their own way of working. That is what makes us special. Some people prefer to work alone. They like the silence. Other people prefer to work in a team. They like to talk and share ideas. Working in a team is great for learning new things from others.
I like both. I like to think alone, but I love to collaborate. To collaborate means to work together for one goal. When we work together, we are stronger. Just like you and me, Anna. We work together to help our friends learn English.
Exactly. We are a great team, and our listeners are part of our team too. Friends, we want to hear from you. Please leave a comment below this video. Tell us, what is your job? Do you like it? Is your job easy or difficult?
Yes, please write to us, even if it's a short sentence. For example, I am a nurse and I love my job. Or, I am an engineer and my job is difficult. We want to read your stories. Your comments make us very happy, and they help you practice your writing.
Writing is a very important skill. When you write about your life, you remember the words better. Today, we learned many words: job, boss, office, busy, stressful, exciting, and coworker. A coworker is a person you work with. Tom is my favorite coworker.
And you are mine, Anna. Thank you for those kind words. I feel very lucky to work with you. Friends, remember that learning English is also a bit like a job. You need to show up every day, you need to practice, but it's a job that is very fun.
It is the best job in the world. Thank you so much for being with us today. We hope you feel more confident talking about your work now. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. If you have a friend who is learning English, send this to them.
Sharing is caring. Thank you everyone for your time. We are very grateful for your support. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember that every small step is progress. You are doing a great job with your English.
Yes, you are. We are very proud of you. Have a wonderful day at your work or at your home. We will see you in the next episode for more fun English practice. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon. Take care and have a productive day.